that slide by. Watch this slide by. Movement, in and out. There you go, get on him. Get on him. Three attacks, you go, get it. Close that gap, Trent, get a handle on him. There you go, that's you, good defense. Hips, armpit pull, go heavy hips and armpit pull. Attack that near ankle, look the score there. Pop that. Get that hand off. There you go. Armpit pull. Down and out. Bounce. Rip that arm out and go. Bounce and throw through. Bounce in there. Get it. Head to hole. Bounce. Re-attack. Come on, Trent. Close that gap.
You stay in the center.
Movement. Get on him. You attack. You go. Rip it out and go. Rip your arm out. Rip your right arm out and go. Go to an armpit pull. Rip an arm out and go. Bounce and go there. There you go. Bounce and go. Knee tap. You got it. Knee tap. Go. Nice two. Good job. That's good. Post that elbow. We got 20. Place it. Post the elbow. There you go. We got 12 here. Be smart. Keep them down. Good ride. Grind on them. Good. Goes wrist. Keep us hips down. Back goes one. There you go.
So,
Catch. That's you. Keep that leg hooked. You're good there. Post the elbow. You got it. You can go turn or cradle. Turn or cradle. Keep it lifted at the elbow. There you go. Lift it at the knee. Stay with it. Go one then the other. You can still go back to it. There you go. You got to go one to the other. Either one will work. Up. Crunch cradle. Hips. Crunch cradle. You got. Head to the leg. Here you go. Head goes down. You got it.
Stay work.
There you go. Hips, control that ankle. Control it up.
Go. Up and go. Go, Nick.
Catch. Watch that. Look for it. Let's get a takedown here. 40. Hands on.
Don't chase.
Inside elbow lead. What's this? Nice. Get it. Nice. 2. There it is. Lace it. Good. There's 2. There's 2. Elbow out. High elbow. There you go. Half.
get back now.
There's 2. That's 2. Right there. We got the leg laced and we paused them. We're there. Right there. There's 2.
Get back, sir. Come on.
You didn't get 2 yet. Trent, get your 2. Come on, Dan. That's 2. You got the leg laced.
2.
So, what got you stuck recording?
Thank you.
What got you stuck recording?
I have no idea.
What?
I have no idea.
So you're just forced out.
Pretty much.
They start record.
Pretty much. I just get signed. I can't do this.
Trent, keep score. Come on.
Set.
Come on, Trent, get your one.
You're good.
Head up, head up, head up, head up. Watch that.
Call that out.
Watch the cradle, head up. Knee slide, there you go. To your feet, hand fight, hand fight. Hand fight, hip placed. Clear it.
Keep it going.
You're good there, you're good. Nice, good job. One good takedown. Be patient, be patient.
Stand center, make him come to you. Don't chase.
Big, solid here.
There.
Heavily.
To the mat. Take it down. There you go. Good job.
Circle center.
Circle in center. He goes out. Get out there, get out there. Watch it dump. Clear that arm. There you go. Bounce, bounce and go. Bounce and go. Rip it out and go. Head the hole. Head the hole.
Bounce it hard.
Head the hole. You got it. You got it. It's there. Right there's the leg. Grab the ankle. Grab the ankle. You got it. Stay with it. Stay with it, Trent. It's there. Bounce. 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 Extend them.
No, watch it back.
Extend them. Bounce. Good. Nice. Good job. Stay with the turn. Big bite. Big bite. You got 30. Get a big bite. You got it. Elevate it. Nice. Try to get that leg deeper if you can.
You got the leg lock.
Big bite.
Hold them two. You got the leg lock now. Yeah, hold them two.
Let the leg go. You take a big bite and get you 3. There you go. Take a bigger bite and get you 3.